How to enable or disable autoplay for non-volume devices in Windows. Connecting non-volume devices such as flash drives, smartphones, or cameras to a workstation might seem simple, but it introduces serious security and usability considerations. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites for enabling or disabling autoplay. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over what you'll need to follow along. First, you'll need administrator privileges to make any changes. If you're on Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education, you can use the Local Group Policy Editor. If you're using the Home Edition or prefer using scripts, the Registry Editor is your option. And one more thing, if you're using the Registry Editor, make sure to back up your Windows registry first. That way, if anything goes wrong, you can easily restore your system. Option 1. Set autoplay using Local Group Policy Editor. To change autoplay settings using Group Policy, follow these steps. Press Window plus R, type gpedit.msc, and hit OK to open the Group Policy Editor. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Autoplay Policies. Double-click Disallow Autoplay for non-volume devices. Choose one of the following options: Enabled, to turn off autoplay for non-volume devices; Disabled or Not Configured, to allow autoplay. Your changes will apply after the user signs in again, or if you run gpupdate/force. Option 2. Set autoplay using the Registry Editor. Here's how to change autoplay settings using the Registry Editor. Press Window plus R, type regedit, and hit OK to open the Registry Editor. Navigate to or paste this path into the registry address bar. Create or modify a DWORD 32-bit value called No Autoplay for Non-Volume. Double-click it and set the value to 1 to disable autoplay, 0 to enable autoplay. Verifying and testing autoplay settings. If you want to check if autoplay is active for non-volume devices, here's how. Plug in a device like a smartphone or digital camera that doesn't show up as a storage drive. If autoplay is enabled, it should launch automatically. If autoplay is disabled, no automated action will occur. To check if a policy is enforcing this setting, run gp-result in PowerShell or command prompt. Recommended use cases. What is the purpose of autoplay? Managing autoplay settings across your devices helps improve both user experience and IT security. Here are a few common use cases: kiosk environment, enterprise endpoint devices, creating a consistent user experience. By setting an autoplay policy, IT administrators can block unknown apps or media from running automatically while keeping the user experience smooth and interruption-free. To reduce risks from third-party devices, it's a good idea to set an autoplay policy for non-volume devices. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable autoplay for non-volume devices in Windows, linked in the description below.